This is the final video to fix this standard hardware security not supported error. Are you also facing this issue where Windows shows this error and you can't enable certain security features like TPM or Secure Boot? I was also facing the same problem, and it was really frustrating. Every time I tried to secure my system, Windows blocked me, and I didn't know what to do. I searched online and saw many solutions on YouTube and Facebook, but most of them were too complicated. They talked about changing BIOS settings, editing hidden system files, or running commands that were hard to follow. I wasted a lot of time trying those methods, and many didn't even fix the error. After experimenting myself, I finally discovered a secret, simple trick that actually works. Using this trick, I was able to resolve the hardware security error and enable all necessary features. You don't need to be a tech expert, and it works every time without causing new issues. My system is now secure, and Windows no longer shows the error. If you wanted to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how I do it, comment down below. Follow Rexish because this trick really helped me fix the standard hardware security not supported error, and it can help you too.